Hello, the Immerse2learn system is loaded with valuable learning resources. In this video, we will highlight some of these resources so instructors and learners can be familiar with them and easily locate them in the Immerse2learn system. Learning resources discussed in this video will include the NC editor shown here, the exercises and test workbook for both mill and lathe, interactive exercises, student skill assessment checklist, course study guides, course resources, and course glossaries. Let's begin with the Immerse2learn NC editor. This is an easy-to-use virtual CNC control and 3D simulation engine for real-time program editing and visualization. As a desktop application, the NC editor can be used anytime, anywhere, and is included with all online curriculum. It is an ideal tool to quickly learn and verify G-code programs. Requirements include an active Immerse2learn account and Microsoft Windows 10 or 11 operating system. Administrative privileges may be required to install the application. To download the NC editor, click on your Immerse2learn class to expand the list of courses. Click the course titled Get Started and download the optional NC editor. Now click the link that says, click here to download the optional I2L NC editor. Your download will begin and shouldn't take long. Once your download is complete, locate the installation file on your PC. In this example, the file is located in the Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file, then follow the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, close all windows and return to your computer's desktop. Here you will see an icon for the I2L NC editor. Double-click the icon to open the application. For additional information on how to use the NC editor, see the help video on the NC editor or download the user guide in the Get Started and download the optional NC editor course. The next learning resource to discuss is the Exercises and Test Programming Workbook. The workbook is a downloadable PDF document available in the following courses: 3-axis CNC milling machine programming and CNC lathe programming. To access the Exercises and Test Workbook, open the desired course, click the Resources button, click Exercises and Tests to open the PDF. Exercises are fill-in-the-blank NC programs and part drawings. Tests are blank NC programs and part drawings intended for the student to write the entire NC program as seen here. As students progress through the Immerse2learn curriculum, they are advised to complete the exercises and tests. Exercises and tests are often best utilized with the next-gen NC editor. Students can copy and paste the exercises in the editor window and prove out their NC programs as they write them. The next learning resource to discuss is the Student Skills Assessment Checklist. The checklist is a downloadable PDF for students and instructors to verify the skills learned in the following courses: 3-axis CNC milling machine setup and CNC lathe setup. To access the course checklist, open the desired course, click the Resources button, click the course checklist to open the PDF. The Skills Assessment Checklist can be utilized by having the student demonstrate the hands-on procedures learned in the online curriculum. As the student demonstrates the ability to complete each procedure, that procedure should be checked off the list. The next learning resource we want to discuss are the interactive exercises found throughout the Immerse2learn system. Interactive exercises allow learners to interact directly with the web page to accomplish tasks such as solving math problems, measuring objects using virtual measuring instruments, plotting points on a Cartesian graph, completing fill-in-the-blank M&G code programs to drive a virtual tool around a programmed object line, and more. As previously mentioned, these exercises are found throughout the Immerse2learn courses. For this example, let's look at the M&G Code interactive exercise located in the 3-axis CNC milling machine programming course. Use the navigation tree to open the page titled Cutter Compensation with Radius Example. In this exercise, fill in the blanks in the M&G Code program. You can click the Cycle Start button as you go. If you answer correctly, the tool will move around the part and you can proceed through the program. If you answer incorrectly, the tool will not move and there will be a red X in the incorrect program line and there will be a message in the status window. Complete the program to make the tool move all the way around the part profile. The next resource we want to discuss are course study guides, which, if available, are located on the first page of the course. In this example, we will open the drill press course. On the first page of the course, after Module 1 Introduction page, we will find the course study guide. Click the Download button to download the study guide as a PDF, or click the View File button to view the course study guide in the web browser. Course study guides provide a course description, estimated time of completion for the course, which excludes hands-on time or lab time, list of learning objectives, key terms, equipment that will be discussed, and project part prints. Course resources are a repository of downloadable learning resources specific to each online course. Some resources are cited throughout the online curriculum, and others are just additional resources for all users. To access the course resources, open the desired course, then click the Resources button, which is always located at the top right of the web page when viewing a course. Click to open the desired resource. The next learning resource is the course glossary. The glossary is used as an M&G Code reference guide. All glossary terms include a description of the programming code, and many include animated simulations. The following courses utilize the glossary: 3-axis CNC milling machine setup, 3-axis CNC milling machine programming, CNC lathe setup, CNC lathe programming. To access the glossary, open the desired course, then click the Glossary button, which is always located at the top right of the web page when viewing a course. These are just some of the many learning resources available in the Immerse2learn system. For additional information or support, contact support@immerse2learn.com.